In this episode, join me as we embark on a delightful baking adventure with the little ones to make teddy bear souffle chocolate cupcakes. Get ready to experience the joy of baking with kids. I will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating these adorable and scrumptious cupcakes. Bake together with your kids. Watch them learn valuable baking skills while having a blast in the kitchen. From mixing the perfect cupcake batter to decorate teddy bear faces, their creativity knows no bounds. Now let's get started. Arrange the cupcake liners on the muffin pans. Get your kids to do all these wonderful jobs while you are preparing the ingredients needed. First step, preparing the dry ingredients. 8 grams of tapioca starch, or you can use the cornstarch. 8 grams of milk powder. You can use the skim milk powder if you like. Next is the 10 grams of cocoa powder. Try to use the Dutch processed cocoa powder. Next dry ingredient is 54 grams plain flour. If you would like to change the recipe to gluten-free, you can replace the plain flour to 54 grams gluten-free flour that you can buy from supermarket. Shift all the dry ingredients at least 3 times. All the cocoa powder incorporated evenly. Next, mix dry to wet ingredients. In separate bowl, whisk together 76 ml milk and 4 egg yolks. Once combined, gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, whisking until smooth. The consistency of the batter will look like a creamy butter. In another clean bowl, beat the egg white into soft cake. When egg whites become foamy, add on a 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. Slowly add on 40 grams custard sugar gradually. You can include 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or essence too. Now it's time to involve the kids. Bring them over to the counter and let them help pour the meringue mixture to the batter. Encourage them to stir gently until the batter is smooth and well incorporated. Slowly, gently fold in the batter. Once everything is mixed, take out the cupcake tray with paper liners that previously your kids has helped you to do that. Show the kids how to spoon the batter into each cupcake liners, filling them about 3/4 of the way. Make sure to leave room for the cupcakes to rise. Alternately, you can use an ice cream scoop to scoop up the batter into the cupcake liners. The tips here is 3/4 to the cups in order for the batter rise of the feet of my souffle cupcakes once it's baked. Another tips to remove all the bubbles of the batter, you can use a skewer or toothpick. Do a round shape in the cupcake liners to remove all the air bubbles. My personal preference is doing half of the cups first and slowly include all the remaining batter into 3/4. Last tip is to tap the muffin pan before sending into the oven. This is to remove all the bubbles in the cupcakes. For these souffle cupcakes, bake 130 Celsius first 30 minutes. Adjust the oven into 140 Celsius the next 10 minutes. Voila! Look at the feet of these souffle chocolate cupcakes. Now it's time for my son to do the decoration.
I'm going to do the Oreo here. And with the two, like mommy wants, see? And that's mine.
Wow, this is so cute.
Is my one nicer than mine or mine?
No, yours one is nicer.
Yeah. So with no eyeball, with no little small one dot. I'm putting the Oreo on the cake.
Oh, Oreo on the cake.
And others.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay, next.
I got the butter.
Okay,
Then I'm going to spread it on top.
Not too much.
I got these.
What is that?
Oh, it's for the pets. Like these.
Oh.
And those.
Oh, the nose. Ta-da! Next. What's missing?
The nose.
Nose.
Eyes.
Eyes. Oops.
Come on.
Where's the eyes? Oh, done. Oh.
Now, let's draw the mouth for the teddy bear. You can use an edible black ink to draw the line. To finishing off, edible sprinkle as the cheeks. Guide the kids as they sprinkle around the teddy bear face. However, you can let them get creative with the details like eyes, nose, mouth, or anything else for the teddy bear. Look at my son, he's so happy.
I made these, and these. I like this one.
What is this? Flavor?
This is bear, bear, and this dog.
Dog. Ooh, doggy. Do you decorate yourself?
That's why I did
All these.
3.
Oh, you kissing the cake?
You, wow, I can see your lips smile.
The recipe for these teddy bear soufflé chocolate cupcakes awaits you in the description below. You can find a useful link in the description and comments too.
This is for the teddy for me. This is for me.
Do you like it? Here's recap my recipe for this adorable teddy bear soufflé chocolate cupcakes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting baking adventures and family-friendly recipes. Enjoy! See you next time!